As you can see, people fully active and ready. They are ready. There we go. Jerk lamb chops. Side and fully active. Welcome to Cook on Vibe. My name is M.R. This is Cook on Vibe. You know what I'm saying? I hope everybody is okay. If you haven't subscribed already, please do the right thing. Hit that like button. Get the video moving. We're in the garden. We're lighting up the jerk pan again today. We're doing it properly today. Today we're cooking some jerk lamb chops. Well, obviously, we need some lamb chops. So I've got some lamb chops there, people. We're going to season them up with the dry seasoning in a minute. But first of all, seasoning. You're going to get some thyme, chuck that in a blender. Then you're going to get some scallion. Chop off the ends, dash that straight in. Then you're going to chop up an onion, chop it up into 4/4, chop that in, chuck it in even. We've got some garlic there. You can all put it in with the skin, don't really matter. They go straight in as well. Also, we got some ginger, put a piece of ginger in there as well. We've got a Scotch bonnet. You can all just pop off the top bit there, pop that in, a good vibes. We are missing a very, very, very key ingredient here, people. And I've run out and I'm just going to have to do it without it. But it's such a key ingredient. The only reason why I'm going to continue is because it will already be in here. So we're going to add some of this. This is a proper good one to use, people. Walker's wood. Very authentic. So that will have it in it already. And also we have got some pimento stick. So yeah, we can get the flavour and something through that as well. But what we're going to do now is we're going to add a couple teaspoons of this. We're going to put a little bit of white vinegar in it and just a little bit of water. And I think this is where a lot of people go wrong, because they think you're going to make jerk chicken and just use this straight. It's not good when you just use it straight like that. You need all these fresh ingredients, which are really easy to get as well, but it just adds to it. I'll show you how much that I put in. As you can see, it's not loads. It's not loads. So that's the ratio you kind of want for a good jerk chicken seasoning. Of white vinegar. And then we just put a little bit of water just up to about here. We don't want it too watery. So about there. Enough to mix everything up together. And that's it, people. Yeah, you want to get your dry jerk seasoning on there, people. Whatever dry jerk seasoning you're using, you know what I'm saying? Get it proper coated on both sides, and ting. Got a couple of these pimento twigs in there and soak it in some water so they don't burn up so quickly, you know? Yeah, there we have it. Now we're going to add the wet seasoning to the dry seasoning. Yes, people. Look at that. Oh, it smells proper. Needed them pimento seeds in there, but it's all good. There we have it. So we're just going to tip the wet seasoning in there now. We might not have to use all of it. That'll probably be enough. And yeah, let's give that a little mix around. Make sure it's all coated. And we're going to leave that to marinate for a good couple hours, people. That is it. Yeah, good couple hours you want to leave that for, people, you know what I'm saying? Good vibes. Fully active, people, let's get this started. Yeah, probably going to not need all this coal like that. But, do you know what it is? It was in one of these. I didn't realise I bought the ones in the bag. But everything is good. We're outside. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I still ain't got around to doing the next garden episode. where I need to sort out this whole area here. But as soon as we're out, this coconut palm is not doing well. Look, it can't act, it don't like it out here. But we always say away the people. That is it. Look at that. We got a new leaf forming for this little banana tree here. Yeah. But I thought, let me just check and see if they need watering. Oh, look, my Scotch bonnets, look. Oh, they're dried out, man. So these Scotch bonnets, I need to deal with them. I need to water these and separate these. These are the ones that I got from Jamaica. Look, this okra that look, they're popping up so many. It's lifted the soil up. Can you see? That's crazy, isn't it? Literally, they're growing so quickly. Like that sunshine there just must have thought, yes, that's the one. So there's the okra there. And this is planting. I'm still trying to figure out which ones are the actual, but it looks like these, the actual ones. But yeah, we'll do more of the garden stuff on the next episode and give these a water. Let you see now, I put the water in. You can see them now. Watch. That is it. And there they are. Good vibes. Set to go. You know what I'm saying? We want to leave this space here open because we're not going to cook. You don't want to keep it on full heat the whole time. Especially because it's lamb. Because it's lamb chops, they're going to cook way, way quicker than chicken. You understand? Chicken and pork. So we have to make sure that we don't cook it too fast. But let's get the show on the road. That is it. Yes, people. Good vibes. Outside and fully active. That is it. Yeah. I'm so glad it's the summertime. Well, not even the summer yet, but warm enough to do some jerk lamb, you know? Yeah. You want to make sure we just keep turning them. But you want to make sure when you're cooking it for the first bit there, you want to make sure the seasoning sticks. So you cook it enough for all the seasoning to stick. Boom. Turn it over. Make sure them seasonings stick again. And then you can start moving it around and arranging it around the heat and them thing there. You know what I'm saying, people? Jerk lamb chops. But side. Yeah, people, man. I'm so glad that it's this time of year again. Holy active. I hear that. See the cherry blossom. Soon get some cherry. Alright, so you see how we got it kind of looking like this now, people. Alright, it's been flipped over and stuff like that, as you can see. Alright, good vibes. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to get rid of this off this heat here. And we're going to move them over here where there's no coal. Alright, so get that over there. That is it. Good vibes. Ooh, it's hot. Hot! Cool. I can stay on that side. So basically, we don't want, as you can see. So now, we want to get the little pimento wood. See there. And just get them like that. So you want to pop them in there. That is it. Yeah. Ooh, that's hot. But yeah, get that wood in there. Yeah, and that straight away, that is giving off the maddest aroma. So we just close that up, let that go on, and let that just smoke without cooking. You know what I'm saying? Remember, the lamb chops and it don't take long at all, so you want to let them smoke now. Look, you can start seeing the smoke. So yeah, so we just want to let that marinate in the smoke. We ain't even cooking them right now, just smoking them. Because we've done heat them up a little bit already. As you can see, that is starting to kick in there already. That is it, that's when you know the flavor's getting into it. Yes, that's what we want to see. What? Smoke that. That is it. To be honest, we're gonna need one of these bits of cherry wood as well. This one's perfect. That's all been drying out since last year. We chuck that in there as well now. Let that one kick in now. Cheese! As you can see, there's the lamb chops, people. With vibes. Still gotta give them a little rotate. You know what I mean? I'm teaching you the proper way here, people, trust me. These are gonna be the maddest thing. You start seeing the color from the smoke soon. Trust me. Mad thing. Let's close this up and keep that smoke in there. Fully active. Hope everyone's all right, man. Definitely, the episode's definitely gonna get better now. Definitely. So at this point, we're gonna move it back onto the heat. As you can see, people, they've been smoking for a little while now. So now we're just gonna chuck it back on the heat. There's not a lot of heat on there now. So it's perfect. So they can just go back on there now. Good vibes. That is it. Yeah. And then what we'll do is we're literally, once these, I'm gonna keep them on there for another, it's low and slow. So another good 5 to 10 minutes. Keep turning it, making sure they don't burn, and keep that nice color on them. And then whatever heats we're gonna have left, we just put it over here and we just smoke it for the last half an hour or whatever we're doing. Yeah, I do not want to lose this cut. That is the closest I want to get. I don't want to get no more darker than that. Zivvy, Jesus Christ, it's looking good and smelling good. Give them a little time like that, you know what I'm saying? So they're cooking more, but not too much. That's what I like to do, especially when I'm cooking my jerk chicken. I'll get the jerk chicken on, you know, slap that, make sure you get that seasoning on the one side, turn it over, make sure you get that seasoning on the other side, and then kind of edge it out to the corners so it slowly cooks, slowly cooks. So you just want that color on there first and get that seasoning in, and then you want to slow cook, you know? Yeah, let's close this up. All right, our good vibes, perfect color, exactly what we want. See it there. Now what we're gonna do, put them over here again. That is it. That little bit come off there. But yeah, it's gonna put them all back over here again. We're gonna lift up this and this. Put that down there for a minute. And then what we're gonna do is just put it all together. Whatever's left, just kind of get it all together. A lot of the heat still dropped down the bottom there as well, so. Last stage. Yeah, we're gonna just let that burn off there. There's still heat there. Yeah, there's still heat there. So just give that a little bit more, you know what I mean? Let them flavors settle into it as well. As you can see, people, fully active and ready. They are ready, there we go. Jerk lamb chops. That is it. Oh God, stop saying that is it. People are counting them now and they're leaving it in the comments. But yeah, good vibes. I'm not gonna say it again. Put one over here already. So yeah, we're just gonna get them off here now. Good vibes, people. Yeah, man. There you go, jerk lamb chops. All you need now is some pepper sauce and some bread. Really hard style, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna take these inside because it's getting a little bit cold out here. So yeah, we're gonna take it inside and do the taste test inside. Yeah, people. Look at the color, what you see where the smoke's got in there. Jesus Christ. Oh, it's a bad thing, you know. All right, listen, we're gonna do it really hard style today. Get yourself some tin foil. You're gonna get yourself 2 bits of bread. That is it. You're gonna pick out 2 nice chops out of there. You find one of the big ones. Big one there. The chops on there, all right? And then you put a little bit of pepper sauce on that. Just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah? Now you see that is the best meal. Really hard style. You just make the meat hit the bread so you get the jerk on the bread and you can squish that down and yeah, that is it. And you just dip it in with that. A good vibes, fully active, people. So look, you want to get a bit of meat with your bread and then just a little, because it's proper spicy, just so it's on there. No, it is the best. Oh my God, that was the fatty bit of the lamb. Yeah. Barbecue season is in full effect. You hear that? People, I hope you enjoyed the episode. I'm gonna do the big up section, but I'm gonna eat that first. Yo, that is so nice. That is the best food I've tasted in a long time. Oh my God. I'm gonna mash up that, people. And then the big up section, fully active. Be active, welcome to the big up section. Today, I wanna big up coffee, cats and snacks. People, they've been counting my that is it's. You know what's funny? Do you know how many I cut out when I'm editing? And there's still 100 million that is it's still in the episode. It's all a good vibes, man. I love you lot. I'll see you soon. Big up yourself.